Alright, welcome back to the homemade or DIY solo stove. So, pretty much what I did is, after I cut a hole in the top of this one, I took the smaller one, tapped it up in here. So what I'm going to do now is going to go around and kind of level it out. You're not really going to be able to get a level in there because you got that seam in there, so get it where you can live with it. And for those of you who don't have a welder, you can always make this stick up higher and put a strap of metal in here and a screw there and a screw there, and then caulk that with some of that fireplace caulking. But I got a welder, although it's not much of one, it will do the trick. So once I get all that welded in place and get it where I think I can live with it, I will just go around and just keep tacking it, tacking it, tacking it, do a little grinding, flush it up a little bit. When I get done, then I'll sand these upper edges here, and then possibly I'll cut these off and put one on each side so it's easy to carry, which would be a really good idea. Alright, see you on the next video. I'm going to post these kind of back to back almost, just in case you're building one and you don't want to really wait. So see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the likes and the subscribes.